Okay, good morning class. Good morning, sir. Yes, Michael? Okay, so this was the June exam of 2021 and not 2023. Okay. Before you think, hey, there's a June exam. Nope. Right, so if you're looking if you need access to the question paper and the memo, you will find it in the description box below. Okay. People, 1.1. The question says, calculate or simplify or determine. Write the intermediate steps. People, what is intermediate steps? The calculation basically. Okay. So what needs to be done first? Multiplication. So it's 12 minus 12 divided by 3. Now what must be done? Division. So it's 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is? 8. Let's look at 1.2. We got 60 divided by 3 times, okay, 60 divided by 4 times 3, divided by 3 times 4 minus 2 plus 3. So what must be done first? Division. Division must be done first. Why? Because according to BODMAS, you can interchange multiplication and addition to whatever comes first from left to right. And so can addition and subtraction. Okay. So that's going to give you 20 times 4 minus 2 plus 3. What's 20 times 4? 80. Minus 2 plus 3. What's 80 minus 2? 78 plus 3? 81. Okay. Guys understand? Any confusion at this point? Guys did our homework, no? Let's look at 1.3. In 1.3 we got 18 minus open brackets 5 minus open bracket 17 minus open bracket 2 plus 3 close bracket, close the second bracket, plus 8 close the third. So what must be done first? The most inner bracket, which is the curved bracket. So we have 18 minus the squiggly 5 minus open bracket 17, that's going to give you 15 log bracket plus 8 squiggly bracket. Now what must be done? Squared bracket. There's 18 minus squiggly, 5 minus. What is 17 minus 15? 2. Okay. So we have 2 plus 8. Again, so what must be done now? This bracket here. 5 minus 2? 3. 3 plus 8? 11. 8 minus 11? 7. People, you guys understand? Any confusion here? No. Let's carry on. Okay. Let's look at 1.4. So you got the fractions here. So you got 1 over 2 plus, what must be done first here? Multiplication. I can do that first. Not so. That we can change to multiplication as well and tumble and tie. So I could have simplified the third and a quarter first. Then it's going to give you 1 over 12 times 6 over 1. Or I could have just swapped the 6 over 1 around and then simplified everything later on. So that needs to be done first. So it's going to be half plus. 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 12. 12. People, what's half plus half? 1. Or 2 over 2, which is 1. Okay. Okay, the next one, 1.5. So you got 2.8 divided by 1 and 2 over 5 minus 2 over 9 times 2.25. So 2.8 can be written as 28 over 10 divided by, I'm going to change this. So what I'm doing is, I'm changing all my decimal fractions into mixed fractions or improper fractions. And all the improper and mixed fractions I will also turn to improper fractions. So that's going to give you 1 and 2 over 5 can be written as 7 over 5 minus 2 over 9 times 225 over 100, since there are 2 digits after the comma. So I'm going to change this to multiplication. So I'm going to get 28 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 7 minus 2 over, okay, so I can simplify here, but if I want it, I'll do it at this point. Well, I'll do it in the next. Times 225 over 100. Now I'm going to just do simplification. However, only this can be simplified and that there. You can only simplify across a multiplication sign there, or you got a numerator and denominator as well. Okay. So 7 goes into 7 once, 7 going into 28 4 times, 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 10 twice, 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice. So it's 2 over 1 minus 9 going to 9 once, 9 going to 225 25 times, I think. 25 goes to itself once into 100 4 times, 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice. So what am I left with here? 1 over 2. Can you see the 2 is in the denominator here? Here the 2 is in the numerator. Okay? So 2 minus half, so 1.5, or you're going to find an LCM of 2 and then you get 3 over 2. Either one was accepted. Okay? Let's carry on with our lives. People 1.6. What's the square root of 16? 4 times 2 squared 4 plus 5 cubed 125. That's 5 times 5 times 5. 4 squared is 4 times 4. Okay. And 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. Multiplication first, which gives me 16 plus 125, which is 131. That basically brings us to the end of question 1. Let's go to question 2. We are told consider the numbers 1, 2, 5, 9, 11, 10, 15, 17, 18 and 20. Write down all the even numbers. Not all the even numbers that you encountered in your life from the list of numbers given you. So the even numbers are 10, 18 and 20. Is that correct? And 2. Right, nice. I would have lost that mark because I left out one number. The composite number. What's a composite number, people? It's a number that has two or it has more than 2 factors. A prime number has only 2 factors. Okay. So a composite number here, of course, is going to be 9, 10, 15, 18 and 20. Factors of 10. The factors of 10 is 1, then 2, then 5. Is 5 there? Yes. Is 10 there? Yes. The multiples of 5. So the multiples of 5, it starts at 5. Is 5 there? Yes. 10, yes. 15, yes. 20, yes. Now if 15 was not a number of the given, of the set of given numbers, then you would have left 15 out. Correct? Perfect squares. 1 is a perfect square, so 1 squared is 1. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared, right, it's only 1 and 9. Do you guys understand? Alright. Let's do the next one. Find the LCM of 3, 5 and 8. People, what's the lowest common multiple of 3, 5 and 8? Firstly, we're going to say what is the multiples of 3? Will it be 3, 9, 6, 9 and so on. Not so, but we can actually use products of its prime factors. So that's going to give you 3, 5 can be written as 5 to the 1 and 8 can be written as 2 to the 3. So your LCM, your lowest common multiple, the rule says the base doesn't have to contain all of it, and you take the highest exponent. So 3 must be taken and the I exponent is 1. 5 must be taken and the I exponent is 1. 2 must be taken and the I exponent is cubed. 3 times 5 of course is 15 times 8. And 15 times 8 is 120. Okay. People question 2.3.1. You are given the number 5,832. Write the given number as products of its prime factors by using either ladder method or decomposition method. Okay? So the ladder method for number 1 is going to be 5832. So 2 goes into that. 2, 9, 1, 6. 2 goes into that. 1, 4, 5, 8. 2 goes into that. 7, 2, 9. So 2 can't go anymore. 3, 2, 4, 3. 3, 81. 3, 27. 3, 9. 3, 3, 3. So in other words, 5832 can be written as 2, and there's 2, 3 2's times 6 3's. So these products are its prime factors. Okay. Decomposition method, I'm sure you guys know what to do there. So it's 5832. We know that 8 goes into this number 729 times. That is going to be 4 and 2. 4 can be broken up into 2 and 2. 729 is going to be 27 times 27, which is 9 times 3, which is 3 and 3. 9 times 3, 3 and 3 again. So then 5,832 can be written as 1, 2, 3 2's. You just pick up the prime numbers, no? A cube times is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3's. And then that is the decomposition method, that is the ladder method. Will you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand this here, it's fine, because that's the first method is what we use normally. Not so? Let's just take this off here. That gave us 3 to the exponent, 6. So let's look at number 3.3.2, hence, now using your answer. So whenever they say hence, I know I must use the previous calculation. You guys understand? Okay. Okay, so we must use the previous calculation here. So it's a square root. As you can see, the number is 5832, which is the number we just worked with, which is 2 cubed times 3 to the 6. They want you to work out the cube root thereof. Okay, so this can be written as 2. It will be 3 over 3. That will be the root there in the denominator, times 3 to the exponent, 6 over, again that 3 there. So that will be 2, 3 over 3 is 1, times 6 over 3 is 2. What is 3 squared? 9. And 3 times 9 is 18. Which means to say, if I say 18 times 18 times 18, let's see what we get. 18 times 18 times 18. Whoops. $5,832. Do you guys understand? Okay. And of course, you guys won't be writing with the calculator. Well, question 3.1. They ask you to arrange these numbers in ascending. People, what does ascending mean? Smallest to biggest. Not so. So what's the smallest number here? Negative 32. Then negative 30. Then negative 23. Then negative 20. Negative 30. 21. 12. 12, sir, yes. 21 here. 20. You all agree with that? Nice. People in 3.2.1. The question says simplify. So what is 8 minus 13? Again, don't use your head. Use your number line. So it's 8 minus 13. It's 8, 19, 11, 12, 13. So we get an answer? Negative 5. Okay, so negative times negative is positive. And minus 10 plus 2 is negative 8. Again, it's negative 10 at the bottom plus 2. Negative 8. In your exam, you draw a little number line on your question paper or on your script, doesn't matter. Okay? Let's look at 3.2.3. So what must be done here? Multiplication first. So it's negative 4. Negative times positive is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Negative times positive is negative 5. So minus 4, or negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Now negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. Okay, you guys got it? What is the smallest integer greater than? The smallest integer greater than minus 7. Negative 6. No? You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
The nice question, yes? The smallest integer greater than negative 7. People here in 3.4 we are told that a cold snap occurs in Sutherland. The temperature is measured at 3 degrees at 4 o'clock the afternoon, 1600 hours. If the temperature drops at a rate of 2 degrees per hour, so if 2 hours lapse, how much is it drop by? 4 degrees. If 10 hours has lapsed, and it's according to this rate, it will drop by 20 degrees. You understand? So at a rate of 2 degrees per hour. What would the temperature be at 10 o'clock? So between 1600 hours to 2200 hours, which is 10 o'clock the night, is going to give you 6 hours in total. Not so? So the drop in temperature is going to be 6 times 2 degrees, which is, it drops by 12 degrees in total. Not so? So if it starts off by 3 degrees and it drops by 12 degrees, then what is the temperature then? Negative? People, you guys understand? The nice question, huh? Okay, all the questions is nice. Right, here we are told about Jessica, who spends half an hour on the English homework, a quarter of an hour on the maths homework, and 5/8 of an hour on the Afrikaans composition. And this is, I think, true. She spends 3/4 of an hour. Okay? Just leave it like that. Calculate the minutes you spend on the maths. People, 3/4 of an hour. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. So 60 times 3/4. That's over 1. 4 going to 4, 1. 4 going to 60. 15 times. 15 times 3 is 45 minutes. If you knew that was 45, you could go straight into 45. Okay? Calculate how many minutes you spend on the Afrikaans composition. So Afrikaans compositions you spend 5/8 of an hour. That's 60/1. So 4 goes into here 15 times, 4 goes into here twice. So 15 times 5 is 65, is that correct? Over 2, which is 75. Okay, thank you. So it's 75/2. So it goes 3 carry 1, 37.5 minutes. Not so? Yes? Any questions? Yes? This is how many hours did you spend doing homework? So what I need to do is I need to work out, okay, so that is half an hour, not so it's 30 minutes plus 37.5 plus 45 minutes. So it's 0.5, and it was 0 and 0 there, no? So that's 12, 6, 10, 11. They want to know in terms of hours. So I subtract 60 from that. I get 1 hour. 1 hour. And 5, 2, 11 minus 6. 5. 1 hour and 52 and a half a minute. Or you could have said 1 hour 53 minutes. Okay? Is that answer correct? Huh? I'm feeling better about myself. You see? Tumi scored 35 out of 50 for a maths test. Tumi is clever. Tatum. Oh. Tumi still coming, huh? Okay, my mistake. Tatum scored 35 out of 50 for a maths test. 33. So it's going to be 33 out of 50 times 100. Okay. Okay. So of course we need to simplify this. So that goes once and twice, it gives you 66%. You all agree with that? Yes, Michael? Yes. Right. Find 15% of 40 rand. So how do I do that? 15 over 100 times 40 over. Okay. Cancels, not so? 5 goes into 15 3 times, into here twice. 2 going into 2 once, 2 going into 40, and into 2 twice. So that would be 6 rand. You want to agree with that? Yes? It looks like you don't know what you're doing. But we'll give it to you, but the right thing is the right thing. No? People 4.4, they want to know what percentage of these shapes are not shaded. So how much of this is not shaded? 1 out of 6. So I must times that by 100 over 1. Why? Because they want it in percentage. So 2 goes into here thrice, into here 50 times. So that's going to be 50 over 3. Alright, which is equal to 3 goes into 5 once, carry 2, 18 and 6 and 2/3 of a percent. Or you can write it as decimal. That's going to give you 16,6 recurring percent. Both is acceptable. Unless the question says your answer must be in decimal. Okay. People in 4.4.2, here we have to complete that first. I think you guys got the question like this already, no? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that correct? Is 10 not shaded, or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in total, times 100 over 1. 5 goes into here twice, into here 3 times, so it's 200 over 3. So 3 goes into 20, 6 times carry 2. 3 goes into 20, 6 times carry 2, so it's 66,6 recurring percent. No? See any confusion here? No? Question 5. Now we're coming to the exciting stuff, no? Yes. Algebra. Alright, people, we are given 3x plus 4x squared minus 2x cubed plus over 3 minus 6. First question, how many terms are in the sequence? 4. What separates terms? Plus and minus signs. Another word for 4 terms? Polynomial. Nice. Write down the coefficient of the third term. So it's 1, 2, 3. Coefficient is the number in front. Negative 2 over 3. Write then the exponent of the x in the first term. The exponent is 1. You guys understand? Any more questions pertaining this here? Right. Next question. Arrange the expression in descending powers of x. What is descending? Because it's small. The biggest exponent is the third term. So it's negative 2 over 3 x cubed. And then plus 4x squared. And then 3x. And then minus 6. Okay. Write down the constant term. Negative 6. The constant term is the term of the other variable. What is the value of the expression if x equal to 1? So wherever I see x, I put a 1. So either I substituted into there or there. Doesn't matter. Not so. I'm going with the rearranged version of it. So it's negative 2 over 3 times 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 squared plus 3 times 1 minus 6. People, what is 1 cubed? 1. 3 times 3 times, 1 times 1 times 1. 1. 4 squared? 1. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 6. So that will be negative 2 over 3 times 1. Negative 2 over 3. 4 times 1? 4. Plus 3 minus 6. So that is going to give us 7, not so. Minus 6 is 1. And 1 minus 2 over 3 is 1 over 3. You guys understand? Otherwise, you would have found an LCM of 3. It's going to be negative 2 plus, over 3 plus 12 over 3 plus 9 over 3 minus 18 over 3, which will then give me in turn 1 over 3 as the final answer. Okay. Will you guys understand? Any confusion? The question says, write down the algebraic expression in terms of x for the following statements. 7 more than x. 7 plus x. 15 less than double x. 2x minus 15. You all agree with that? Any confusion there? Yeah, you got? No. The product of 6 and a half the square root of x. The product of, what does product mean? Times. The product of 6 and a half the square root of x. How? Half is most 1 over 2. Or you could have seen the square root of x, that's the square root of x, divided by 2. You all agree it's the same thing. So we can simplify. What's a half times 6? 3. So it's 3 root. Right. To me, not to me.
So I said x over 2 times 6. And then I
simplify and you got this.
Yes.
Give her a round of applause. Full marks, Pumla. Is that your name, no? See, I forgot the wrong name I was calling you all these years. Actually, days. It's only been days. But as if I knew you all my life. No? Even though I don't know your names. Life couldn't be all without you guys. Keep on thinking that, no, over the weekend. When you don't study okay. People, negative 4a plus 6a minus a. So negative 4a plus 6a. 2a. 2a minus 1a. Next. Negative 6b squared. What's negative times negative? Positive. B squared. So what is minus 6 plus 1? Minus 6 plus 1? Negative 5 b4. Not so? Huh? Squared. Why squared? Yes, the variables stay the same. Right, next. People relax your bones. 6.3. Simplify. What do we do here? Get rid of the brackets. Negative 4 times C. Negative 4C. Negative 4 times 2D. Negative 8D. Like or unlike terms? Unlike. Like to be? Unlike. Yeah? People, 6.4. You can't help but love this algebra. The cube root of 27. 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. E. 27 over 3. So it's 3E. 27 over 3? 9. So it's 3E to the exponent 9. Next. Yo. 6.5. Negative 5F times 4F G to the exponent 3. Negative times positive. Negative 5 times 4. 20. F by F. F squared. G cubed. People, I can't help that this math is so easy. No? Just can't help. I know you guys came to high school hoping for a challenge. No? Yes, looking for a challenge. Right, people, does that cube apply to the negative? No, it's outside the bracket, so it's negative. So the sign inside the bracket is positive. And positive to any exponent will always be positive. Right, so that positive times this negative remains negative anyway. Okay. What is 4 cubed? 16. H. 2 times 3? 6. 4 cubed is 64. Absolutely my mistake. 64H, 6 over I to the exponent? 3. Sorry about that. It's I. See? Okay, let's go. Let's see. We got. Let's go into it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 2. Not O, we're still coming. Okay. But people, listen, if you saw it as a T, then it would have been negative 64H 6 over T cubed. That's the move, alright? People, let's go. 6.7. Here's the Y. So, 6 going to 6, 1, 6 going to 18? 3 times. It's 1 over 3. Where's the more Y's on top? Where's the bottom? Bottom. 16 minus 4? 2. Right. Next. People, how many terms are here? 2. Also known as what? Binomial. So before we can say 2x minus 2k minus k, so let's get rid of the brackets. That will be 2k. What's negative k times 3k? Negative 3k squared. Negative k times 1? Negative k. So what do I do now? Like that. 2k minus 1k. K minus 3k squared. Okay. Like or unlike? Like to be unlike. Okay. I'm moving too fast. No, okay, nice. We got 6.9. I'll try and move a bit faster. Okay. What needs to be done first? The brackets, yes. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So again, we must first simplify the terms before we can subtract them or add them or anything. Not so. So there's a negative. 2 to the exponent 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 16. X to the exponent 4. We can multiply the top out there, not so? Right. What's positive times negative? Negative. 4 times 6, 24. X cubed times x squared. x5. What's wrong with you? I'm saying 6. You're really sorry? Okay. I forgive you. People? What's negative divided by negative? Positive. 12 into 12 once, 12 into 24, 2 times. It's 2. X. 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 16x4. What's 2 minus 16?
14.
Huh?
Negative.
How? Negative 14. X? 4, yes. I can't capture out anymore, you say. Alright then. What can I do for you? Come, that's it. Yes. That's in the grade 8B class. So you must just find, just ask the office where they are. Shukran was that. Okay, next. Number 7. 7. He says multiply. So what do I do here? Multiply. Get rid of the brackets. Is it like or unlike terms inside the bracket? Unlike. So negative 5pq squared times 4p cubed. Negative 20p. Yes. P can fill his weekend. Q. No. P4 cube squared. 1. Negative times negative. Positive. 5 times the 1. 5. Where's the 1? Here's the 1. P times P. P squared. Q cube times Q4. Q squared. Q5. Like or unlike? Unlike. Divide. What do we do here? We put each one over its own. So it's 9xy squared minus 27xy4 over 9xy squared. Positive divided by positive? Positive. 9 cancels 9. Not so. Y squared cancels y squared. So x cubed over x? X squared. Minus. Because negative divided by positive is negative. 3 goes into 9 goes into 9 once, 27, 3 times. The x's is gone. So it's 3. Y squared. Right, you guys understand? Right. Next. Add is also known as what? Vertical addition, yes, nice. Some of you are taking note. Others are... Yeah. So 3x minus x. 2x. Minus 4y minus 3y. Negative 7y. Minus z plus z. Gone. So it's 2x minus 7. Okay. Next. Given the set of numbers, if a is equal to negative 2, what's the value of 4a? So the value of that is going to be 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Hence, what does hence mean? Using previous answer and further calculations. Which is the largest number in this set of data? So let's look at the first number. Negative 3a is negative 3 times negative 2, which is 6. 4a, we already worked out, is negative 8. 24 over a, which is 24 over negative 2, which is negative 12. A squared is negative 2 squared, which, oh, this is a beautiful paper. And then 1. Remains 1. Which is the largest number here? 6. So therefore, answer, negative 3a. I have to go through this paper first before I sit your exam. Maybe your exam would have been a bit different. Yeah? Because now when they're exposed to a couple of good questions. Yeah? Okay, there's more exams coming, don't worry. People, the bonus question, who got this right on the first attempt? You didn't do it. You didn't know what's going on? Nice. Nice. Nobody got it right. Huh? You couldn't see? Open your eyes. Right, people. Bonus time. If A, some mathematical operation B. Think about it. A, some mathematical operations that you place there with between A and B. translates as A minus double B. Okay? What's wrong? Oh. So, according to this here, it says calculate the value of. So what must be done first here? The brackets. So it's 5. Some mathematical operation 2. Now, if you're looking at what is in A's place? 5. Can you see that? So in A's place is 5. In B's place? 2. So in A's place must go? 5. Minus 2 times 2. I had to record all faces. Some of you just lit up, others of you are still gone. But anyway, for those of you who are with us, people, 5 minus 2 times 2? 4, which is? 1. So now, what is 5 some mathematical operation 2? What's the value of that now? 1. So it's 7 some mathematical operation 1. So we repeat the process. What is in A's place? 7. What is in B's place? 1. Can you see that? So let's go again. So A is going to be 7 minus 2 times 1. What's 2 times 1? 2, which is? When we did this, I think 2 people got it right. Out of the whole grade. Yes?
You got the 5.
The 5.
Yeah, I got that section.
You got this number 1 in it.
Yes.
Nice. You would have gotten 1 out of 2, I think. 1 out of 3. Anything else?
No, sir.
But you guys understand?
Yes.
Will you get it right now?
Yes.
Let's see if you're going to get this bonus question. Yes. People, this basically brings us to the end of this paper. It was nice spending some time with you. We'll stop the video at this point.